ground shake like a fucking earthquake. Make the 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 ground shake like a fucking earthquake.
You know what? I think I'm good. Hello, Beans. How you all doing? I'm just gonna turn this down a bit. How you doing? How you doing? God, I am itchy all of a sudden. God fucking damn. How are y'all doing? Okay, how are y'all doing? Because I am in a mixture of... Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold up. Hold up. Stop. Okay. So, let's stop. So, apparently, looks like Fool is releasing an album called Machine. Not a synthwave. Can't download some of these, but Matsucat is gonna let me play it. Honestly, though, a lot of these look like they're just, you know, the one things. I don't know. I'm thinking of just kind of going chill. What we'll do is we'll just play, like, stuff from Instinct. And I think that should be good. No. I honestly don't know what to do. Chill is nice. Yeah, chill is nice. Oh, there we go. You know what? Let me go over to my desktop view and we'll just work on a project that I haven't worked on in a long time. This PC voice, no. Anyways, oh yeah, I forgot to ask. How you doing, Dam and Grey Wolf? How you two lovely beans doing? See here. It pats. It pats all the days. Ba 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 ba. Thank you for the head pats. Joining your homeworld on Resonite. Nice. No, this is actually really a good chill synthwave song. You know, this is a really nice chill synthwave. Like really nice, really chill. I like it. I actually like this. Thank you for the head pads. Yee. God damn you, Windows. I wish to see what Grey Wolf says. A little low, though? What do you mean a little low? What doth thou mean a little low? In volume. Oh, I see. This, if I am correct, Linux build support, along with Mac build support, WebGL build support. Realize something. Oh, nice. Copy. Paste has a reference. Yeah, I'll just put it right up. Yeah, I'll put it. Actually, the Twitch goal thing I'm gonna just get rid of. Because who needs the Twitch goal thing anyways? Alright. Nice! Yeah, this is quite chill. See here. I'll look to see if there's something else. Oh yeah, this song. Yeah, this is a good one. Ah. 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 In this way. You know, since I'm working on a Unity project, I just thought of something. I should change this to programming. Software. There it is. Software and game development. Done. There we go. There we go. Because technically I'm going to be working in the Unity engine and I'm working on a piece of software. I just don't want to expose some personal information at the moment. Do it. Do it, Grey Wolf. Do it and find me. Find me in Rezo, Grey Wolf. Oh my god. It's trying to download multiple things. Oh. By the way, let me actually think here real quick. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Now I know what I was gonna say. So, as you guys know, I got hand tracking, so I kind of done this like torso up type of style. But I was kind of thinking of, you know, kind of doing this. Well, all you can see is my like head and wings. Because I'm thinking maybe do some mocap. You know, like do some mocap. Like, oh shit, that's a little zoomed out. Also, you know what? While I'm messing with this, I just thought of something. This seems to have no effect on anything. This seems to have no effect on anything. Why? Because I set it to black. Oh, whoa, okay, there we go. Oh. 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 Okay, this actually looks quite cool. Like, okay, like no joke. This actually looks really cool, you know? Like this looks really good, really cool. So, previous lighting, current lighting. Previous, current. I think this looks way better. Hold on, what happens if I set it to ultra? I can't really tell much difference, but then like when you get down to like more of like very low, oh god, you can tell very low, but then you get low and it's just like, okay, medium, okay, high, okay, not that bad. Bloom. You like Bloom? You like Bloom? Look at my mouth. Look at, look at my mouth. Ah. Oh, shit. Okay. I thought I had this version of Unity installed already. Okay, you know what? You know what I'm gonna say? Let's pink oven. Yes, pink oven. Okay, so here's a little thing I'm gonna do. Whoa, oh, okay. Okay, well, there's my mouth. I accidentally zoomed in a bit more. Okay, you know what? Here's an okay, you know what? Here's an idea. Who needs to see the screen when you can just see my beautiful face, you know? Who needs to see the screen when you got my beautiful face? You know? Like, look at my beautiful face. My face. How could you not enjoy this face? How could you not?
You're ugly. You are disgusting. I'm going to kill you. Give me $200.
I thought we were friends, Kaiga. I thought we were friends, Kaiga. I thought we were friends. How could you do this to me, Kaiga? How could you do this? How could you call me ugly? Kaiga, I thought we were friends. I thought we were friends, Kaiga. I thought we were friends. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me, Kaiga? Why would you ever do anything like that to me, Kaiga? Do anything like that to me? Not like me? Friends? I thought we were friends, Kaiga. I thought we were friends, Kaiga. I thought we were friends. I got head pats. I will say. Yeah, I will say that it's just. Why is Caillou acting submissive? Because maybe I want to. Maybe I want to act submissive and breedable. Okay, that's my decision. That's my call. If I want to act submissive and breedable, I will act submissive and breedable. I don't need your approval. Suck it, bitch. Alright? Suck it. I don't need your approval for that. If I want to be submissive and breedable, I will be submissive and breedable. I think that actually. I think that highlights me better. That's submissive. That's not submissive. Damn it, phone. Your phone's not liking you. Hey, Grey Wolf. Grey Wolf. Hey, Grey Wolf. I gotta... Hey. hey, Grey Wolf. Hey, Grey Wolf. I have a question for you. Okay, don't tell Kaiga, but how would you like if you know, like what if we what if we go, you know, go behind Kaiga, you know, like your boyfriend, you know, your boyfriend. What if we go of like, what if we just ignore Kaiga and just, you know, go and be like, "Ah!" You know, go behind Kaiga and just go boop 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 boop, you know what I'm saying? Like, what if we just go behind Kaiga and go boop 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 boop, you know, like we don't need Kaiga for any of this, you know, what if we just go, what if we just go boop 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 boop, you know, what if we just do this behind Kaiga, you know, like I know you two are dating, but like what if we just do what if we just do that behind Kaiga, you know? What if we just do that behind Kaiga? Alright. Hey, hand. All of them. Every single one. Everyone is your boyfriend. Alright, okay, everyone is your boyfriend. Alright, cool. Ooh, indeed. Oh! Okay, before I show you, I want to make sure this has nothing lewd in it. I want to make sure there's no porn in this project. Grey Wolf, stop failing No Nut November. Don't tell Grey Wolf what to do. They can fail No Nut November if they want to, or they can just, you know, do the other challenge called Non-Stop Nut November. You know, there's also that option too. Non-Stop Nut November. Technically, I have failed No Nut November a fucking lot. Grey Wolf, I'm trying not to nut. I prefer Non-Stop Nut November because, like, you know, if I'm being... Whoa, oh. That's not what... There we go. All right. Why is this bar not going away? This bar's not going away. You've been doing 365 non-stop nut and I'm doing fine. Okay, but busting the nuts is always fun, you know? Like busting the nut. It's fun busting nuts, you know? Because then when you bust the nuts, you get to the juicy interior, you know? You know, like you bust a nut and then there's that juicy interior. You know what I'm saying? Like you bust the nut and then there's that juicy aftertaste, you know? It tastes so good, you know? like you bust the nut, and then you take whatever comes out of the nut, and you eat it, and it tastes good. You know what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? Oh no. Fuck! Yeah, you know. I wonder if this is it. Where is... No. 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 Fuck. No. Please tell me no. And then. And then. Fuck. Okay, apply. Yes! I have a backup! I have a backup! I got a backup! That's... I don't know whether to say ignore it or I appreciate it. Okay, cool. I have a fucking backup. You think it's cute? Oh, what's with the blushing? What's with the blushing? What's with the blushing? Are you gonna woo? You're gonna woo.
Daddy Uber Eats, please no more. You're making me fatty watty.
Hey Kaiga, did you like what I did? Did you like what I did? Like what I did?
Daddy Uber, please no more. You make me so fat. You make me so fat, Daddy Uber. You make me so fat. You make me so fat, Daddy Uber. What's the problem, Kaiga? You don't like the, you don't like this?
Bitch, try being like 170. Okay, I'm like 5'10 and 170 pounds. 100, is it 170 or 180? I might be 190 because I have been eating a lot more food lately. And I'm no happy about that. Try being 6'2" and 230. 170 pounds will make me over obese like a water balloon. 5'10 and 250. Damn. No joke though. Damn, I was like that. Not too long ago. I want to I want to say I was around that weight. Around. I kind of want to say. Like 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago, I was about like 225. I felt like utter dog shit. I still feel like dog shit, but not utter dog shit. I just feel like dog shit, regular dog shit. Unity's taking its sweet time. All you motherfuckers are tall. I forget how tall you are. How tall are you? "5'5". Wow. 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 You are a shorty. You are a shorty. I will say that. Ooh. Hold up. Hold on. So, there we go. I just noticed this. Calibrate. I'm making your expression before beginning the recording. Keep it until this. Interesting. Okay, so okay, hold on. Yeah. It wants more like ah. I don't think this is gonna work. You know, I don't think that's gonna work out well. I'm just gonna put it back to that. I'm not that expressive. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not that expressive, so... Hold on, no one tell him yet. No one tell him. No one tell him yet. Alright, let's see here. Do I know about Lethal Company? I might have. I might have heard about Lethal Company. You know, I might have heard about it, yeah. I gotta say, I played it. I played it. And no one else, like, I didn't see anyone else really playing it. I was like the only person playing it. And now I just see a lot of people playing it and I'm like, what the fuck? I was like one of the first people to play it. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to Vibrance. It was a nice one. I'm being strong on by an Australian to play it. Do it. It's fun. In fact, I want to get like a full team. You will? Nice. Uh-huh. um oh yeah. Oh my god. Let's not get me made. Oh my god. Woo-hoo-hoo. 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 I will in a moment. I just need to double check over some stuff real quick. Okay. I think it's good. I think it's fine. Okay, cool. Perfectamundo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, so, if you look up there above me, it will make sense. It will make clear sense why I was laughing. This guy was enabled. So, by the way, this, yes, I will say, yes, I know, gross, disgusting, Unity, especially after the pricing updates, but one, pricing updates does not affect me because I don't do anything off of this. Two, fuck off. Look at it, look at it, look at that face, look at that face, look at the face, look at the face, look at the face, look at the face. Alright, cool. So, naughty? Yes. It is naughty. But yeah, so alright, have fun at school. But yeah, as you can see, there's like quite a bit of stuff. Like, look at this. I've already coded some of this logic in, but if you toggle armor off, it does that. But if you toggle it on and you have helmet on, it does that. But you can also do it like this. Look at that. Oh, fuck yeah. And by the way, this is the actual pose the avatar is sitting in, or standing in. Fun fact, by the way, if I go to the animator, speed 0, cycle offset 0.844. It's essentially just an animation that's been paused right there. Now if I turn on post-processing effects, this is off. If I turn the lighting on, it adds a lot more atmosphere, but still looks pretty crappy. But if I add post-processing, oh, it looks a lot different now. Oh yeah, by the way, at the moment it's spacebar to get rid of that menu, and then you can use maximize to maximize it. Look at that. I think that looks cool. The one thing I want to change is this UI up a bit. So I need to kind of edit this guy right here. So if I open him up, press and open. Alright, so this is the guy that's controlling this. And this UI is intriguing me for reasons. Yes, I wonder what I wonder what part of the UI is intriguing you. It couldn't be this one option in the UI that exists. It so can't be this one option in the UI that's intriguing you. It so couldn't be that. So, okay, so here's what's confusing me. So if I do this, all right, if I do this, actually not the third checkbox indeed. Okay, so are you being serious? It's not the NSFW? Is it seriously not the NSFW that's intriguing you? Because if so, I would be surprised. Okay, so that's interesting. Okay, so what if I comment this out? Sarcastic. Ah, I see. Yeah, I'm not... Text is not a good thing for, like, sarcasm. Why haven't I disabled that? I'm sorry. That has been meant to be disabled for the longest while. Comfort. Reject. I've been meaning to disable that because for some reason it just broke. Yeah, that has been broke, so I did that, so... Oh, ads. I know, I'm sorry. Ads. One whole minute. Oh, shit. All right, let's see here. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was testing this. Comes in here and it's just like, yo, this shit is working. All right, so we set up the UI. All right, cool. Toggle the UI off, toggle it on. All right, interesting. Interesting. This is interesting. So. Yeah. The fuck is this thing called again? Let's see. That's not right.
All it takes is a moment. Is it fate that you came this far unbroken?
Okay.
It's destiny.
So.
Focus, but you gotta be
So every time I spawn this guy out, he does all this. Okay, so he does all this when he spawns out. He does this. More than likely, what I need to do, it adds all the audio drivers. All right, cool. It registers audio driver changed. So let's see here. So analyzer manager dot. Does the streamer have control when the ads play? Yes. So here's what I see on my end. This is the ad controller right down here. I can run a 1 minute ad. I could run a minute 30 ad if I want to. I could snooze up to 3 ads in a row. I think Twitch even gives me like, not what I meant to do. What did I do? Exit. Like, Twitch. Let's see. Edit quick actions. There we go. So like, right here, I could run a 3-minute break. Like that. I could run up to 180 seconds worth of ads if I wanted to. Like, the fuck, Twitch? The fuck, Twitch? That should actually be there. Like, I'm not gonna do that at fucking all. Should probably add some of these things to my thing. And probably not those. Oh yeah, there we go. But yeah, I could run up to 3 minutes worth of ads if I want to. Am I going to? Fuck no. 3 minutes equals bathroom break. Technically, yeah, I guess. But like, you know what? I'll add a 3-minute ad break in there, like the button, just for those circumstances where I'm like, okay, hey guys, I'm gonna play 3 minutes worth of ads. Do whatever the fuck you want in those 3 minutes. I'll be back. And then like y'all do your shit, I do my shit, and then we can all come back after that 3 minutes worth of ads. There's a way to run those ads in a smart way. Usually if you do like a long ad, it gives you a long like break from ads. At least from what I've been hearing. But like, honestly, ads barely do shit for me, so they barely do anything for me. Anyways. But anyways. Thank you, damn, for the head pads. Yeah. Let's see. So let's see here. Yeah, so as I have it set up is I do about, I think it's like a 1 minute ad every 45 minutes. So yeah, I have an ad, a 1 minute ad for every 45 minutes. And then if I'm gonna go do something, I will run an ad sometimes. So yeah. Let's see here. if I do manager dot set setting, and then value is going to be y event dot new value. There we go. There we go. Okay. Heck, we're outside playing, and you should be playing too. People switches to Cartoon Network. Alright, there we go. So now actually yeah, I don't care about the ads. Honestly, if it was me though, no ads. Honestly, if I had the choice, no ads whatsoever. No ads whatsoever. And I would be like, hell yeah. No ads. Everybody's happy because you don't get any ads and it's just constant. Well, ads, well, I can run some ads when I'm gonna go do something. Okay. Fine equals of type string, and I want to be yeah, I get that. But it's one of those things where fuck like free, but then also have people help with like crowdsourcing and whatnot. Const string helmet key setting key equals to key equals this. Private const string armor key equals this. Armor key. At least if they were less intrusive, then being a jump scare full screen would be less annoying. Yeah. I hate the ad-filled internet we have now. NSFW key equals NSFW key, there we go. Now I can also put it here too, helmet key. Y armor on equals manager dot get setting of type string, and I want the armor key. Like on mobile, they do sometimes pop a static and silent banner on the side. Those are okay. Yeah, they are. Y NSFW on equals manager dot get string get setting of type string. Oops, and I want the NSFW key. Alright, there we go. Cool. Var. Oh, wait, no, these aren't strings. These are bools. What am I thinking? Bool. Var audio device equals device name equals manager.get setting of type string, and it's going to be this right here. So private const string listen device equals try dot. There we go. Just to bring the settings consistently. Finally, shape my legs. Good. I just got one for windshield replacement. Useless. There we go. There we go. So now down here, what I can say is helmet button dot value equals helmet on. Armor button dot value equals armor on. Glued button dot value equals NSFW on. And then I need to go and say for var I equals 0, I is less than drop down dot choices dot length, in this case count plus I. Thank you, writer. Your leg, says Smith, has a baby's bottom now. Mind increasing the font size a little bit? Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah, this should be a lot smaller. There we go. Is this good for you? Need it bigger? Good? Cool. Alright. Now I'll say... Did I actually say what font size this is? I don't think so. Hold on. Is this good? Can you see this? Can you see this? Alright, anyways. Let's see here. So I'll do... Feels so big. Too big for me. If drop down dot forces at I dot dot equals, and I say audio device name, and then I say ordeal ignore case. Well, actually I should say if it doesn't, then we continue. Otherwise, we'll say drop down dot index equals I, and then we break out of there. No, you need it big to go bigger. Is this good? Can you see it here? Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing now? Can you see what I'm doing? Alright. I need it to be a little bit small for me because like it feels way too big. There we go. Okay. Also, if you guys are curious as to what I am doing, if you're curious to what the code is doing, feel free to ask me. Like, yeah. There we go. Realize something. Fuck off. And complain about my being big. Wow. Okay. Love how I immediately set it back down to like my usual font size, which is like this. Let's see, let's 17, there we go. Save. There we go. Okay, so now the editor's font size is set to 15 statically. Alright, cool. And a nullable context. Pound nullable. I love how it's like here, like no non-nullable field instance, blah blah blah, and it's just like, yeah, it gets set right here. Left-hand operators never know according to for reference types. Okay, I see. Okay, so there we go. Pound nullable disable. There we go. Now I'm enabling nullables here and then immediately saying, nah, fuck that. But now, what that means is instead, so, okay. To be honest, I prefer to use ProtoFlux. Yeah, I don't like ProtoFlux. What is the centimeter or millimeter? What? No. Anyways, so pound nullable enable. All right, so this returns get settings, which is a null, which I cast to a nullable type. And here it's just like, yeah, no, it's a Boolean. Hold on, what the fuck? Huh? The fuck? Public to test something. Object obj. Return T obj. Okay. Fuck off. Pound nullable enable. Okay. Fucking fucking hell. Okay. Fuck! Return T OBJ. What the fuck? Sound nullable disable. What the fuck? Doesn't want me to do that. How to make T into T OBS. Not OBS, C sharp. Fucking what the fuck am I thinking? Nullable. Okay. I see. Okay, so okay, so what I think I'm gonna have to do is change this entirely. Wow. So I'm gonna do a little tricky track. Let's use SFW key. Out. Whoa. Let's see. There we go. Okay, and then I'll put this up here. There we go. And then I can easily get rid of this. There we go. Okay, cool. Let me initialize these to false. Alright, use var, use var, use var. Go. Oh. What I can do here is I can say so I have an idea. So if no, I need to do if string dot is null or white space audio device name, then I will simply do this and then return, such as f of x, what? Such as f of x d times delta plus, what is that? Lim minus n? Hold on. Okay, so hold on. Can you try and type that in a more accurate, like, or more, what's the word? Concise? Like you're saying it's f of x equal, are you saying f of x equals plus, what is, hold on, lim pi? Is that what you're trying to say right there? That doesn't make sense. Formula for diff. Oh, this? You're talking about this? You're talking about this right here. Okay. Okay. Why the fuck did you type it like that? That, like that? No. Why is pi in there? Like, cause pi is this. This is pi right down here. This is pi right down here. Why is that in there? Why'd you put that in there if it's the equation for difference? Like, fuck out of here. Find difference. It's just a simple thing of like v0 minus v1 over, like, this is the efficient way to do it in computer terms. v0 I forgot to get myself water. Like, if you want to calculate the difference, like, in an efficient way, I believe it's that. Hold on. I believe it should just be that. Yeah, you shouldn't need... Okay. Oh, I see what they're saying. Yeah, so you want to find the difference of two values. This is basically what you do. It's value 0 minus value 1 divided by value 0 plus value 1, which is divided by 2 since we're doing 2. Although you can technically do n, where n equals n, where n equals number of values. You know? So, okay, I'm gonna go on, I'm fucking going on a tangent, fuck it. So, honestly, to bring this into what I'm doing, coding, you could easily do something like private double find difference in array, and then params, we'll just say params float array values. So then at the top we can say for var I equals 0, I is less than values dot count, or in this case length, thank you for the correction. Do that, and we can do var top equals 0f, var bottom equals 0f, or 0.0d? Yeah, top and bottom equals 0d. So now we can say top plus equals, actually no, we can just say equals 1. 1. We can say 1, because what we can do is we can say values at 0, and we'll just cast this to a double. And same for the bottom, double values at 0. Top and bottom, ooh. Shut up. So we can say plus, the top plus equals, no, technically minus equals. Minus equals values at I. Bottom plus equals values at I. Alright, so now we get all that, and then we wrap it all up. And we just simply say bottom divided by equals values dot length, and then we return top divided by bottom. Shut up. Also, I will hydrate here soon, damn. Your redeem isn't gonna go to waste. So yeah, you get that. You can simply do that. And then, I don't know, right here in start, we can say debug.log and then find diff in array. I'm too lazy. Var double r equals new double array, and we'll say it's 3. And then for var I equals 0, I is less than double r dot length plus I double r at I equals random dot value. We'll cast this to a double, but we'll also times this by 100 just so we get a good wide variety of stuff. Oh, we don't need this cast apparently. Okay, so we can just do that. And then here's a cool thing about C#. You saw how it says params array, like params array down here. You see how it says params array? So technically I could do, whoa, where am I? Took me to a different screen. Yeah, okay, looks like, so I could do 3 different things. I could leave it blank, which means no, I'm passing in no parameters, which means empty array. 0 things are in there. I can say 0.5, and then I can say 50, 100. Let me just put F, 99F. I could do that. That's also another example of I'm filling up an array. But here's the cool part. Say I already have an existing array. Boom, bitch. Also, I just realized I need to make this a float. There we go. Float. There we go. F for float. Yep. So there we go. So I can either leave it empty, which means a 0 array. I can add numbers directly in there, or I can just pass it an array. And so now, no matter what, it's going to do this. So now, I'm kind of curious. If I hit run, look at that. Look at that right down there. We got it. We got it. Cool. Isn't it great? Similar in JavaScript, except everything is a float. Yeah, I hate JavaScript. JavaScript can right off. I don't need random anymore. I don't need this anymore. That was just to test some, to show something out. But yeah. We maths debating. I'm so proud. Shut the fuck up. I just also realized something. I could have just showed it in here too. See? Boop. There it is, right there. Nice thing about writers, I can easily show things in here too. It's so great. Because look, there it is. Perhaps similar, but yeah, right there. Anyways, if I go back to Unity, it's gonna recompile. And then I'm gonna go grab myself, I'm gonna fill up myself a drink. So I'll be right back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, I never tested. Fuck, it didn't work. Oh well. Alright, cool. There we go. I'll be back! Okay. I'll be back!
I told you I can't find the words, nothing makes sense. Thought I told you I've been trying to reach over the fence. I try even when I shut down. All I want is to give this a meaning. When I move, let it come from a feeling. Give something back for the air that I'm breathing. Each step I keep holding my ground. I try even when I shut down. Each step I keep holding my ground. I try, 'cause I'm staying safe in the middle. That I need to run just a little. 'Cause I'm staying safe in the middle. That I need to run just a little. All the sleepless nights, all out of words, all my trembling lights. 'Cause I'm safe in the middle. Can I let go? Lose the fear of what I still can't see. But it feels like the world is waiting on me.
Ah!
Keep holding my ground.
I'm back. I forgot to plug something in. Hold on. But I'm back.
Keep holding my ground. I try even when I shut down.
Oh, a little longer. Oh. But I'm disappointed that this didn't save.
Annoying with the math.
Okay, so here's the thing. Here's what we need to do is I need to go through. Figure out what's going on. Also skip this one. Alright, so here's this. It's working as fine. Working intended. Turn it off. Works fine. Turn it back on. Get hit with this. So let's step through, step through, step through. Alright, cool. So we grabbing all that. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Also, I just realized this should be done like this. Okay, so now if I come back here, reset. Okay, so we got this. Okay. You know what, let's just say catch exception. Just so that way it's easier to debug, because I don't know what is being thrown. This is interesting, an interesting song, I will say that. Okay, so we do this, and then we do this, and whoop. All right, so we a nut. What? What are you nutting about? Fuck, it doesn't like that. There's not an like B. Yeah, no, I'll just do it like that. So forward this, we'll go back to Unity. We'll let Unity reload. Alright, cool. So now we'll play. For this. Huh. Okay. But for some reason it's saying that Holdings does not have what the fuck? All it has is audio.listen to, but it doesn't have the other thing. Okay, interesting. So what we'll do is we'll just listen to there, go back to here, we'll toggle the armor. Manager.set setting. Right, cool. I go into Holdings. Right there. I just realized something. Okay, I just realized something. Okay. So I just realized something here. And actually, it can be quite useful in what I just realized. If not manager.try get setting, that'd be, let's do NSFW key, and then we'll say out helmet dot. Wait, no. Hold on. Get setting will turn that, which will turn that. It's not type safe. Oh, it's not exception safe. So we'll throw an exception if it does that. But if we do try get setting, it is set up in a way to where it will default the value. So it would give us a default value and then return false. We don't give a fuck if it returns false. So we can just say manager, or sorry, we could just say underscore equals manager dot try get setting, and then NSFW key out, and then we just say we just say load button dot value. We just no. Okay, I see. So we can't do that, but we can say bool load value. Then down here we just say load value. Armor elements. Armor key element key. What is the underscore? This underscore? This is technically you don't need it. You can just do this. Those two things are equivalent. Basically, I'm just telling C# throw that away. That's all I'm telling, that's all I'm basically saying / doing is just saying, hey, I'm just saying like, hey, Beta, go ahead and throw this away for me, can you? Thank you very much. I think up and build, sure. Technically I shouldn't do this, but whatever. So there we go. Database notifications. Whatever. Here it is, IL viewer. So, as you can see, let me actually do it this way. Build. So here's this, alright? So here's this guy right here. This is basically the IL code he generates right over here. So this guy generates this guy right here. I love how it's like ld_.0 is this. And then we call class, and this is the class it's calling into. Settings display manager. And then we load string. We load onto the stack. We load onto the stack the string char.armor. Beans, yes, beans. We load the string onto the stack, and then we load a location. Oops. Cancel. We load location on the stack of armor value. And then we call the method try get setting bool of string, and then this just says, yeah, we get a bool back. We get a reference back. And we pop. So, and then as you can see down here, line 62, you can see it does exactly the same goddamn thing. Now, if I say var ret val, we got a ret value coming back. Okay, so again, this is what it looked like before, right up here. This is this method right here. But now, if we assign what was given to us to an actual value, As you can see, now we got a store. We got a store command in the IL. And that's basically saying, hey, yeah, just store it in this variable called retval. So does that make sense? I'm just basically, this is syntactical sugar for saying disregard. And this is, if we were to actually use that value, this is what it would look like. Otherwise, it just literally removes the value. It just discards it. I love the IL viewer because you can also do low levels. Apparently it's like low level C#. This is what it generated for low level C#. Interesting. That's so interesting. This is what it generates. I need to grab more Jimkin. Okay, so underscore is just based. It's just to explicitly say I don't care what the return value is. Bingo. Yep. Although I went probably a little too far down deep into the weeds. I much prefer the IL view though. What do you mean? Being commando is fun. Now here, I can do underscore. Actually, in this situation, I can say by have selected override equals manager dot try get setting, and then this is going to be listen device out string audio device name. And I can remove this from up here. Actually, I could just put this right under here. And here I can just say if not have selected audio override. Yeah. Or the string. So if actually no, we should flip that, because even if we get a valid audio override, we do want to make sure. Yeah, no, it's not an or, it's an and. Yeah, I'm stupid. So a good way to remember what thing you need, if you're thinking I need to check this and that, you use or. If you're checking this or that, you need an and. That's stupid. So there we go. So now it's saying, do we have a selected override? And is it, and, or do we not have a selected override? And is it null or white space? If both of those are true, we then set it to a default thing and we return. Otherwise, we do that. Awesome. Okay, so let's check to see if that works. Run. Oh my god, it worked. Ha! But now these are broken. shit. I... Okay, why does this not work? But, like, why is this not working anymore? Bugger. UIX debugger. Oh. There we go. Okay, cool. So... pause for me would be nice. Yay! Thank you for the headbands, damn! Alright, so let's see here. So I toggle. The armor is not working. Why is it? Okay. I didn't enable debug. I'm sapiophile. Sapiosexual, meaning what? Which I am being honest on. What? What? Like what? Okay, we get the main view, we get all that, we get that, we get that, we get that, we do that. Alright, cool. We look through all those audio devices. Actually, let's step out. 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 Don't know that word exists. It's a preference. Don't blame me. Step out. Step out. Step out. There we go. So yeah, it should everything should be fine. Yep. What is this guy doing? Misk. Alright. Oh, I see. Just basically brightness level. Alright. toggles. Here we go. All right. Both. So if I toggle this, toggle armor. This is the armor. Game object bool settings toggle. That's why. Char dot. Yep, that's why. I'm stupid. I broke my thing by doing it differently. Char dot armor. Char dot helmet. Char dot loot. There we go. So now, so that's why it was failing, because I forgot to update these values. As you can see, boop 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 bow 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 bow. Sapiosexual equals loves big brained people. Not gonna lie, I also love big brains. So, by the way, here's something I will tell you that I was a bit big brained on. So you might have seen this right here where it's like right here, state boolean value manager, and it has a depends. So it's just like, well, couldn't you use it to toggle, like, I don't know, the fucking helmet and whatnot? Yes. I could have it used to toggle the helmet and whatnot, but I love how I could, this is such a simple thing. I literally do mean it is super simple. I just parent the helmet under the armor. So now whenever I toggle armor off, the helmet goes off too. It's such a nice, clean, super efficient way of doing that. There we go. By the way, I will say that I will say this is that I have made it to where this should just be set in stone, basically. Like, this is what all good shit I need, you know? Like, and the other thing is, I don't know if you guys can figure out what I base all these components off of. Can you guys guess what I base these components off of? Anyways, I'm gonna change it to something else. It's Resonite / Neos. I would still, when I was working on this, I was like, still like, you know, using Neos VR. Actually, technically, you could say it's based off of the Fuchs engine. God damn it, I was about to say Neos. So let's see here. Oh yeah, these things. Heck. Check all the auxiliary materials. Go back. There we go. This one. Go back. Go back. There we go. I didn't doubt it. I wouldn't have guessed. Not familiar with it enough. Even though you threw me in hours of adding children chain to your avatar's coding. Did do that. 4 or 5. Right, well. Guess I'll commit that. Also made some modifications to other. Let's see. To the UI. There we go. Okay, cool. So I've committed those. Speaking of Resonite, I need to learn Protoflux. Protoflux isn't really that bad, so. Now, let's see here. So, at the moment, this only works here on it only works here in the fucking on the computer, but it doesn't work where it needs to work the most. So I have a few things I want to do that require it. Well, you're more than welcome to hit me up if you want some help. Let's see here. So right here, where it's just like this stuff, the audio device and whatnot. That. Well, never mind. Let's go into the settings. Okay, here we go. This guy. He's in here. Got it. Cool. So Yeah. Probably why you should use red print. Usage. Okay, and here it is. Alright, cool. So we got that. However, we'll copy this, paste, and then we'll do another paste. And you'll see why. What we're gonna do is we're gonna surround this in an if, and we're gonna say Unity standalone. Take this and do a pound elif Unity underscore I think it's Unity underscore WebGL, and then we paste that into there. Now, if we switch back to here, this thing. Let's see here. Now, I go into here and I do project settings. No, not project settings. We go to edit, file, build settings. Here we go. Why do I not have WebGL installed? There we go. Great. Awesome. Wonderful. Looks like we're gonna have to wait a bit. Ugh. Let's see here. Oh. Fuck. Is that coming over through the mic? Just give me a moment. There we go. That should be good. Yeah, I know headsets are expensive. Like mine cost me $1,000, so. I know they can get quite expensive. Yeah, I know. Yeah, see? No, I'm not.
I hope I'm always on your side. No,
Ba, 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 ba.
I won't end up in your fight. But if I do, you
By the way, where's red print? Might actually be able to hand you a link. Let me. Hide it from plain screen. Is it found inside or outside Resonite? Inside. Yeah, I don't think they've made a whatchamacallits, a community folder type thing at the moment, so kind of gotta wait until they do that. Motherfucker. What are you motherfuckering about? This song is boring. Pinky. I'm saying it probably should. Why does this mean I always go defaulting towards my crotch? See here. Here we go. Okay. That. Hit URL. Paste. Nope, that's not it. Come on. Try it this way. Create new text. Basic. Alright, and then if I click well, nope. Okay, so it doesn't want me to do it that way. So what if I hit share? Alright, cool, it gives me that. And now if I hit this, here we go. Inventory. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, cool. So if you paste this link into Resonite, it will spawn out the necessary folder for you to actually that's weird. Whatever. I ain't saying this well. It should give you just copy and then in Resonite just hit paste. That's all you need to do. Like, no joke. That's all you need to do is when you have Resonite Focus, you hit paste on your keyboard and it will literally spawn that the thing that links to. Come on, Unity. Ow. There we go. Now if I go to File, Build Settings, I go and I say, hey, I want to do WebGL. Which platforms? Once you got the folder spawned, just save it to your inventory. Waiting on this to load. These are, wow. So I'm gonna go back to this. See here, come on. Come on, Unity, come on. Leggy cold. Whoa. Come on, Unity. No probs. As you guys can tell, I'm kind of bored waiting for Unity to do its thing. Damn you. Creating domain. Hold on. Busy. There we go. Now, if I go into here, look at that. It switches over. Now it's just like, okay, this is good. So now in here, I can't use that, so I have to use like, what is it? I think it's called like, how to save data in Unity WebGL. Saving game data for WebGL. know what the Unity. Yes, what is an iframe? ChatGPT. What is an iframe? Ah. How would I integrate a Unity WebGL build into an ASP.NET Blazor site? So I have to use an iframe? Right, so I have to use I guess I didn't like this. Plus nas nas na. What? Can I never make one? No, it is. Audio Analyzer Manager. Could not find. That's why, okay. Found if. Okay, so I need to surround with pound if, and this is going to be Unity standalone or Unity editor. When. And here's the WebGL start. Cute. You guys are being cute. You guys are being cute. Know that you're being cute. Strengths. So Unity standalone win or Unity editor win. 5. I put a lot. I have gentle breathing. If I am content, I don't make much sounds, but if I'm not content, I will make sounds. That's generally how I work. What? How to get audio from the browser. God! Get audio from browse mic Unity Web GL. God damn it. Microphone not supported. I see. So that's why ChatGPT said do this. Application.external call method allows communication between JavaScript and Unity. Accessing browser, you can create a JavaScript function that accesses the browser's audio API to capture the data. I am process the audio stream. Bar audio context equals new audio context. Bar input equals audio context that create media stream source. And it says further audio processing or send data to Unity. How do I send it to Unity? Yes, I plug into it. Okay. In theory, yes. But I think I have a better way. I think I have a better way. So, maybe. Either way, I'll be doing this. Okay. Um. Maybe I'll hire you daddy later. So I got it. Again, I have the idea. I have an idea. Never mind, the idea is gone. Yeah, no, I've lost it. Okay. Let's see what this is. Browser script calling JavaScript something from Unity script. Thing. Interesting. A string value call malloc to allocate some memory and the string def helper function to write a JavaScript string to it. String is a return value than the arrays the premise type. Okay, The recommended approach is to execute all the build code in its own scope. This allows you to embed your content on an arbitrary page without causing conflicts with the embedded page code, and lets you embed more than one build for the same page. Have all your JavaScript code .jslib plugins inside your project, and the JavaScript code will run inside the same scope as the compiled build, and your book the same way in the previous version. Global scope of the embedding page, you must use the template indexing. Compose your sources into JavaScript from C/C VM scripting. So if you're using okay. So, okay. I have a page and an iframe inside of the page, both hosted on the same domain. I have a full control. I have iframe. Don't have a control of the parent page. Could establish a WebSocket connection from the iframe. Okay. Okay. Okay, so if I had to guess, I think I would be able to do that though. I don't think I can inject. I have to it has to communicate back with the Unity in some way. So C# WebSocket. Okay, so like there's native support for WebSockets. I guess I'll use this. It looks like it's a simple thing. Oh, give me what I wanted. What if I do a download zip? Open. And I drop this folder into here. Now I take these two things and I delete them. Then I create a new assembly definition and I call this WebSocket Sharp. And what I'm going to do, edit Linux, interesting. And what I'm going to do is, let's say it's for web, I'm going to say exclude everything except WebGL. I only want to apply it to WebGL. And god damn it. And I'm going to say no engine references. So it doesn't rely on anything relating to the engine. All right, cool. Now if I go back here and then I go back to here, it says now it said it's somewhere here where I have to browsing embedded page, you must use template index. Okay, so how do I get that? Says it's in project settings. Yeah. That's awful. Fine. While I'm waiting. All right. Fine. Come on. Just saw something flash. What the hell happened? Why did the music change? Wow. Okay, there we go. Finally, fucking hell. Oops, sure. Capture, stereo capture. .NET times allowed downloads over HTTP, allowed in development build. Ping level minimal. So 1280 is 720. Copy property path. That do. Fucking nothing. Zip. So how does this help me? Well, a white page with the loading zone. Script to build and supply your own WebGL template to host the player. This is useful for production purposes so that you can but eventually if the Unity player content interacts with another element in the page via the external call interface, you should test it with to add a custom template to your project. Navigate to the assets folder and create a folder called WebGL templates. So I have to go into here, create a new folder, call it WebGL templates. I'm just giving you the jitters. And each template subfolder contains an index.html. So I'll create a folder and call this ASP.NET site. Create a new. I'll do it through here. Now, I'll add a new file and I'll call this index.html. Sure, go ahead and add. Just to create a playback engine. Okay, so if I click here and I go Boop, boop. All right, cool. So now I just say properties, explore. Here we go. This is this. Playback engine. Playback engines, here we go. WebGL support, build tools, WebGL template. I'll use minimal. Rename. There we go. Cool. Awesome. So we're getting closer. So on here. So now we communicate via WebSockets. I wonder if this is correct. Let me switch over to here real quick so I can just move this over here, and then we can go back to the desktop mode, and then I can select this. Okay, cool. All right. So I'm gonna blah 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 non-project file protection. This file does not belong to this project. What do you mean? Skip. Okay, script. Function. Start audio capture. Navigator. Media devices that get user media. Audio true, video false. Dot then function stream. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. For audio context equals new audio context. For input equals audio context dot create media stream source stream. Okay, how to send a constant stream. To send a constant stream to Hey Grey Wolf, are you good with web dev? Let me also see something here real quick. Can you use a WebSocket in an iframe? Use in various web contexts, including within iframes. Okay. Can you use a WebSocket to send audio from the parent page to iframe. Yes, you can use a WebSocket to send audio data from the parent page. Stop. Okay, well, continue generating, please. Okay, there we go. Yes, you can use a WebSocket to generate. You can use a WebSocket to send audio data from the parent page to an iframe. Here's a general guide on how you might approach this. WebSocket setup and parent page for our socket equals new WebSocket ws example.com/audio. Handle the events like on open, on message, and on close for managing the WebSocket lifecycle. Sending audio data. We have an audio data on the parent page, e.g. from a microphone input or another source. You can send this data through the WebSocket. Assume you have the audio data in an array buffer named data. Giving audio data in an iframe for our WebSocket. Okay, so var socket and iframe new WebSocket. That socket and iframe.on message. Ensure that the server is configured to handle WebSocket. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is there a way I can just pass data to an iframe without using WebSockets? Can an iframe get the microphone? Yes, an iframe can access the microphone. Okay, cool. Okay, that's perfect. How to send an audio stream from JavaScript to Unity. Let's see here. Setup. Create a WebSocket server to handle communication with socket library. Right in your JavaScript. Does this work for Unity WebGL? Okay. This seems like a task for a different day, a different stream, and all that shit. So, what I'm going to fucking do is I'm going to say fuck off to that, and we're going to raid out to Sun because it's been about 3 hours. Does anybody got any raid suggestions? Any raid suggestions whatsoever? By the way, where's red print? Red print should be in that folder I gave you. It's like the hypercube. See here. Let's see. Should we raid Varu? We head and raid to Varu. I think we should raid to Varu. Give that good bean a good love. So slash raid Avali Varu. Let's go give that bean some love. Damn, no suggestion again. It's alright. It's alright. Pat for you. Pat for you. Alright, pat. I don't know if I'm patting. I have. There we go. Yep, I'm pat. There we go. Pat for you. Yeah, it was a nice chill stream, although viewership wasn't that high, but I honestly don't care all that much because I'm just doing this for fun at the most part. I got a decent job, so I just am doing this for fun. Viewership wasn't that high, but don't care. At least the VIP was here. At least the VIP was here, so and Dam stopped by along with House and Kaiga, so I'm happy if any of them are still around and are hearing. Thank you, Grey Wolf, for the head pats. Aww. Anyways, I'll see you guys next Tuesday. I don't know what I'll be doing next Tuesday or next Thursday. Maybe I'll just do a chill and resonate one day. I don't know. But until then, I will see you beans then. Tell Varu to have a bore of a time. Alright? Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Go. At gone.